Hi friends, today we are making a quick Peruvian-style Ají Amarillo chicken bread bake. It has the comfort of ají de gallina, but the bread goes straight into a creamy oven casserole, so it is cozy, golden, and simple. This recipe makes 4 servings and takes about 35 minutes. Let's walk through the ingredients, starting with 4 cups cubed white sandwich bread, which gives this bake its quick, creamy body. 1 cup evaporated milk softens the bread and makes the casserole taste rich without needing a long sauce. 2 tablespoons olive oil help coat the baking dish and gently sauté the aromatics. 1 small yellow onion, finely chopped, builds the sweet savory base for the Ají Amarillo. 2 cloves garlic, minced, add a warm bite that lifts the whole filling. 3 tablespoons Ají Amarillo paste bring the unmistakable Peruvian color, fruitiness, and gentle heat. 1 cup chicken broth loosens the bread mixture so it bakes up creamy instead of dry. 2 cups shredded cooked chicken make the bake hearty and keep this recipe fast for a weeknight. 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese gives salty depth inside and a golden crust on top. 1/4 cup finely chopped walnuts adds the classic nutty richness you expect in ají de gallina flavors. 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt seasons the filling so the bread and chicken do not taste flat. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper adds a soft background heat behind the Ají Amarillo. 2 hard-boiled eggs, sliced, bring the familiar Peruvian finish and make the plate feel complete. 1/4 cup pitted black olives gives the final dish a briny pop against the creamy sauce. 2 tablespoons chopped parsley add a fresh green finish right before serving. To begin the preparation, heat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Rub 1 tablespoon olive oil over the inside of the terracotta baking dish so the bread bake releases easily later. Now that the dish is ready, place 4 cups cubed white sandwich bread in a large bowl. Pour in 1 cup evaporated milk, toss gently, and let the bread soak for 5 minutes. While the bread softens, warm the remaining 1 tablespoon olive oil in a medium skillet over medium heat. Add 1 small finely chopped yellow onion and cook for 4 minutes, stirring until it looks soft and translucent. Once the onion has softened, add 2 minced garlic cloves. Stir for 30 seconds, just until the garlic smells fragrant but does not brown. Now stir in 3 tablespoons Ají Amarillo paste. Cook it with the onion and garlic for 1 minute so the paste blooms and turns the oil a deep golden orange. With the paste bloomed, pour in 1 cup chicken broth. Add 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, then simmer for 2 minutes to bring the sauce together. Now fold in 2 cups shredded cooked chicken. Stir until every piece is coated in the golden sauce and warmed through, about 2 minutes. The bread is soft now, so add the soaked bread and any milk left in the bowl to the skillet. Stir and lightly mash for 2 minutes, until the mixture becomes creamy and spoonable. Next, stir in 1/4 cup finely chopped walnuts and 1/4 cup of the grated Parmesan cheese. This makes the filling richer while still saving cheese for the top. Now transfer the creamy chicken and bread mixture into the oiled terracotta baking dish. Spread it into an even layer, smoothing the top so it bakes evenly. Sprinkle the remaining 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese over the top. Cover the surface lightly, because those small cheesy spots will brown in the oven. Bake the casserole at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, until the edges bubble and the top begins to turn golden. For a deeper crust, switch the oven to broil and broil for 2 minutes. Stay close and watch carefully, stopping as soon as the top has golden brown patches. Now remove the baking dish from the oven and let the casserole rest for 5 minutes. This short rest helps the bread set so each serving holds together. After the rest, arrange 2 sliced hard-boiled eggs and 1/4 cup pitted black olives over the casserole. Scatter 2 tablespoons chopped parsley on top for a fresh finish. The cooking is complete. Use a serving spoon to cut down through the creamy bread and chicken, lifting portions from the dish while they are still warm. And there it is, a quick Peruvian-style Ají Amarillo chicken bread bake that turns simple bread into something creamy, golden, and deeply comforting. Serve it warm with the egg, olives, and parsley on top, and you have a satisfying meal for 4 servings. If you enjoyed this oven-cooked bread recipe, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more easy recipes.